Hello friends, today we are going to learn action words. Run. Run means दौड़ना. Swim. Swim means तैरना. Playing. Playing means खेलना. Eating. Eating means खाना. Chop. Chop means काटना. Jump. Jump means कूदना. Crawl. Crawl means घुटनों के बल चलना. Hop. Hop means कूदना. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Stand. Stand means खड़ा होना. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Sit. Sit means बैठना. Clean. Clean means सफाई करना. Cry. Cry means रोना. Dance. Dance means नृत्य करना. Ride. Ride means सवारी करना. Sleeping. Sleeping means सोना. Walk. Walk means टहलना. Listen. Listen means सुनना. Sing. Sing means गाना गाना. Drink. Drink means पीना. Climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Drive. Drive means गाड़ी चलाना. Sinking. Sinking means डूबना. Watch. Watch means देखना. Awake. Awake means जागना. Cooking. Cooking means खाना बनाना. Write. Write means लिखना. Wash. Wash means धोना. Watering. Watering means पानी डालना. Carry. Carry means ढोना. Push. Push means ढकेलना. Pull. Pull means खींचना. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.